Hello guys, welcome to my video. Today I'm gonna show you how to install SSD on Asus A455L laptop. Okay, so the tools and materials that we need are slotted screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, and SSD SATA 2.5 inch. First, open all the screws on the bottom of the laptop using a Phillips screwdriver. Keep the screw in a safe place so you don't lose them. After all the screws are removed, then open the keyboard panel by praying it out using a slotted screwdriver. You will hear a cracking sound, but don't worry because it is a sign that the pin joint is disconnected. After that, lift the keyboard panel carefully because under the panel there are connectors that connect it to the motherboard, and we will remove it. Keep the panel in a safe place. Next step is remove the USB connector on top of the hard drive. Then lift the USB module. After that, open the screws that secure the hard drive case. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the hard drive case away from the motherboard. Next is open the screw attached to the hard drive case. After the screw is removed, then remove the hard drive and replace it using an SSD. Make sure the position of the SSD is not reversed. Then reinstall the screw. After the SSD is mounted on the case, then attach the SSD to the motherboard gently. After the SSD is connected to the motherboard, then replace the screws to keep the SSD secure. After that, reinstall the USB module. Then plug the USB connector on the mother and on the motherboard. Next step is to attach the keyboard panel connector to the motherboard. After After that, attach the keyboard panel to the laptop body. You will hear a cracking sound again, which means that the pin joint has been connected. Last step is replacing all the existing screws on the bottom of the laptop. After that, to find out whether the SSD is installed and can function properly, you can check it by entering BIOS mode. If the SSD name is listed, it means the SSD is ready to use. Okay, that's all from me. If you have any question, just comment in the comment sections below. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.